In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com with Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect on your screen, and a few simple tips to keep everything running smoothly. First, open your Claude account. Use your preferred browser and sign in so you land on your main Claude dashboard. Make sure you're on the account you want to connect, especially if you manage multiple workspaces. Keeping just one Claude tab open helps prevent confusion during authorization. Next, click Profile. You'll usually find the profile icon at the top right of the page. Clicking it opens a small menu with account-related options. From there, choose Settings. This takes you into your account's control center, where you manage preferences and integrations. Inside Settings, look for the Connectors section. This is where Claude lists services it can connect to. Open the Connectors page, then select Browse Connectors. That opens the full catalog of available integrations so you can quickly find what you need. Use the search bar and type Monday.com. When Monday.com appears in the results, click it to open the connector page. You'll see a brief description of what the integration does and a Connect button. Click Connect to start the authorization flow, then follow the prompts on your screen. The prompts may guide you through granting permission for Claude to access your Monday.com workspace. Read the messages carefully and confirm that you're connecting the correct workspace. If your organization uses multiple workspaces, pick the one that matches your projects. You might be asked to approve certain access levels. Only approve what's needed for your use case. If your company requires admin approval for integrations, you may see a notice about that. Simply proceed according to the on-screen guidance. When the prompts are complete, you should be returned to Claude or the connector page, and Monday.com will appear as connected. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page. As a quick tip, being signed into Monday.com in the same browser can make the process smoother, and allowing pop-ups ensures you don't miss an authorization window. That's it. You opened your Claude account, went to Profile and Settings, navigated to Connectors, browsed the catalog, searched for Monday.com, clicked Connect, and followed the prompts. With the connection in place, you are ready to streamline your workflows and let Claude work alongside your Monday.com data. If anything seems off, retrace the same clicks in Settings and Connectors to review the status and repeat the prompts if needed.